Hope you will like my handmade homemade veg burritos. Key ingredients are chopped tomato 2 cups, chopped onion 1.5 cup, chopped garlic 4 teaspoon, colored capsicum 3/4 cup, boiled corn half cup, cornmeal 2 cups, refined flour 1 cup, hung curd 1 cup, boiled rice 2 cups, rajma or kidney beans 1.5 cup, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon and chili flakes 3 teaspoon, olive oil 4 tablespoon, Step 1. Dough for tortilla. In a big bowl I am adding cornmeal. Now refined flour, adding some salt as per your taste. Mix them well. Here I use 2 cups cornmeal and 1 cup refined flour. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons olive oil, mix them well. Now I am adding lukewarm water slowly and mixing them well, kneading, trying to make a soft dough. Here I want to tell you one thing, you can use whole wheat flour instead of cornmeal. Now you can see my soft smooth dough is ready. Keep aside for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the rice. In a broad non-stick pan I am adding 1 tablespoon olive oil. Heat it up. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons chopped garlic, saute for few seconds. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon chili flakes, adding half cup sliced onions. Saute for 1 minute. Now I am adding colored capsicum. Mexican cuisine always need colored capsicum. Saute for 1 minute. Don't saute too long. We want their crunchiness. Now I am adding boiled corn, As we all know, boiled corn and rajma are the key ingredients of Mexican cuisine. Now I am adding boiled rice 2 cups, adding 2 teaspoon tomato ketchup, salt as per your taste. Mix them well. Saute for at least 2 minutes, and as you can see, my rice is ready. Step 3. Cooking the beans. In a non-stick pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon olive oil. Heat it up again. Now I am adding 2 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Saute for a few seconds. Now adding half cup sliced onions. Saute for 1 minute. Now I am adding 1 cup finely chopped tomatoes. Saute for at least 2 minutes. Adding half teaspoon chili powder. It's optional. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup boiled rajma. Mixing them well. Now I am adding 4 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Saute for a few minutes. Salt as per your taste. Now adding little water. Little more. Now cover it and cook for at least 3 minutes. 3 minutes over. Now you can see all the things mixed very well. Now saute for at least 2 minutes. My son loves to eat that kidney beans. Now you can see the lovely, yummy, spicy kidney beans are almost ready. Lightly mashing them. my refried beans are ready. Step 4. Making tortilla. Now taking my dough, divide the dough into equal portions and making tortilla balls. Now my balls are ready. Sprinkle some flour and rolling out. Trying to give a round shape. Oh, it came. Now putting in hot non-stick tawa. Roast it properly. When you are roasting tortilla, use high flame. Now you can see my tortilla is getting ready. The lovely golden color comes. Now my tortilla is fully ready. Step 5. Making sour cream. Taking 1 cup hung curd. Here I want to tell you one thing. Always take hung curd. Don't take that thin curd. If you take thin curd, then your sour cream will be very bad. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix them well. When you are adding lemon juice, first you taste your curd. If your curd is too much khatta, then add lemon juice little by little. Otherwise your sour cream will be too much khatta. Now I am adding salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix them well, very well. Mixing and mixing. I think my sour cream is almost ready. Yes, it is ready. Step 6. Uncooked salsa. In a big bowl, I am taking tomato 1 cup and onion half cup. Chopped green chili 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Some coriander leaves finely chopped. Now mix them properly. When you are mixing them, lightly mashing them all the time because we want juicy salsa. Now my salsa is also ready. Of the lovely rice, spicy beans, tortilla, yummy sour cream and beautiful uncooked salsa all are ready. Step 7. The burrito. Now I am taking a tortilla, putting some prepared rice on it like this. Now I'll add spicy refried beans like this. Now I'm adding sour cream. Here I am using my hand. You can use spoon too. And now I'll add my uncooked salsa. It looks so yummy. Now finally wrapping them like this. And my veg burrito is ready to serve. It's super healthy and super tasty, and trust me, it is a one meal dish. No need to prepare any other dish. If you like my video, then press like and subscribe me. Thank you very much.